Let us know about how online educational platforms helps in bridging the gap between teachers and learners. As we all know, it is the era of virtual learning. The phase of COVID-19 has made it even more considerable. Both the institutions and learners are accepting the various ways of online learning. So, without a doubt we can say that virtual classrooms have replaced traditional classrooms in many ways. Technology has played a vital role in online education. Even, anyone can become an online tutor if he has the knowledge and passion to teach students. With us, a faculty or an institute can go online with ease and comfort. There is no need of an IT staff to manage virtual classrooms. We have seen a tremendous growth in e-learning market. It is the high time for you to take your teaching business online. The wave of online learning is going to be the future of education. Precisely, online education makes learning more convenient. Learners doesn't have to be worried about the geographical barriers as they can study from their own pace at any time. There is a flexibility of learning in virtual classes. All-time availability of audio and video-based classes makes learning more interesting and fun. There are many ways to keep learners engaged, such as interactive quizzes, two-way interaction and many more. Though, there are many hinterlands or small villages where there is no source of education is available, but through online learning the children of underprivileged area can now easily access the online classes. It can be said, virtual classes acts as a bridge between efficient teachers and potential learners. Online educational platforms helps in bridging the gap between the two. To know more, visit www.edugyaan.com.